I'm Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's I'll try to do the charging test on the iQOO Z3 device, friends, as you can clearly see. So this is my day one of using this smartphone and this is my first charging test which I'm trying to do on this mobile phone. Let's see how fast the phone will be able to quickly charge to the 100% starting from 0%. So right now phone is completely dead to zero, friends. It's completely switch off right now, and I did have this kind of small chart ready, so I'll try to write down the battery percentage and the temperatures for every 10 minutes and 30 minutes, as you can see. And once it's fully charged, we'll try to see how much time the phone actually takes to complete charge the phone. So let's see. I'll try to use the default charger which came along with the box. I'm ready to open the box as well here. I'll try to show you, friends, one quick surprise is that the phone has supports only 55 watt fast charging, but they did include, I think, with the 66 watt flash charge, friends, with the box. So that is what as you can see right now. So this is the exact thing which I got, 66 watt flash charge. So I thought I'll be getting the 50 watt flash charge and I'll be able to do some kind of testings with the iQOO 7 device, but that's not the case. So they did include only the 66 watt, same kind of flash charge as the iQOO 7 smartphone. So let me need to use this kind of charger and let's see how faster the phone will be able to charge to the 100%. That is what this test is about completely. I'm mainly focused on this particular thing, friends, which is a 55 watt flash charge, and you can charge with 50% in 19 minutes, as you can see. So this is what the key highlight point of this iQOO Z3 device. So let's see whether that we can do actually 50% charge in this phone in 19 minutes of time or not. That is what I'm going to check. Is it possible in this iQOO Z3 device or not? That is what I'll try to see, friends. And this is a default charger I'll try to use in this kind of testing. Let me try to connect the charger and I'll be back right now. As you can see, friends, right now I did connect the flash charge as well. You can see the animation and everything, the message as well, and the stopwatch is also started. So let's check what is the temperature right now. So right now in the starting, the temperature is about 33 degrees, as you can clearly see, friends, 33 degrees, but not much. Even the back side is 33. Let me try to check the bottom part. So where the battery is actually 33 degrees only right now, which is present here, as you can clearly see, friends. And my room temperature is also 31. There is no AC, there is no cooler right now turned on. So let's see how much the temperature can actually increase in this iQOO Z3 device. That is what I'll try to check right now, and let's see. I'll try to write down the beginning temperature here just for a quick note. So we started with the 33 degrees of temperature. So let's say again I'll be back after close to 10 minutes of time. So in the 10 minutes we can understand whether the phone is actually charging faster or not. So that is what I'll try to see. So right now, as you can see, friends, we are getting close to kind of 8 minutes of time. Let's check the battery percentage, how much it is. So it's 18% right now in the 8 minutes, as you can clearly see, friends, 8. So let's see the temperatures, how much it is. Temperature is of 35 degrees right now. It's not pretty hot as well. So 35 degrees overall, as you can clearly see, 35. I feel it's kind of charging really low. Let's see what will happen after 10 minutes, how much the phone will be able to charge in this kind of speed. As you can see, friends, right now we are getting close to 10 minutes exactly. Let's see how much the phone percentage will be increasing. So that is what I'm trying to really curious to see. Exactly 10 minutes I'll try to turn on the screen. So right now it's 24%, as you can clearly see, friends. So exactly around 10 minutes it increases to 24%. And let's see the temperatures, how much the phone temperatures has been increased. So the temperature is only 35 degrees. It's really low, as you can see, friends. That's really great. That's good in terms of the maintaining low temperatures while charging, and even while doing the AnTuTu benchmark score, I did see this kind of trend is going on in this phone. The temperatures are really low. So make sure to check this AnTuTu benchmark score, friends, where the temperature increased only 38 degrees. So you can find that video. So right now let me try to write down the readings. The temperature is of only 35 degrees, as you can see, friends. So these are the list for the first 10 minutes of doing. In the beginning 33 degrees and now 35 degrees. That's it. So again I'll be back exactly 20 minutes. No, I'll be back after 19 minutes because the company did claim in the 19 minutes the phone can charge 50%. So that is what. So whether their claim is good or not, that is what I want to test in this video. So let's see, is it possible to achieve this kind of speed in 19 minutes in this phone or not? As you can see, friends, right now it's of close to kind of 15 minutes exactly, and the battery percent reached to 36%, as you can clearly see, friends. So in the 15 minutes the battery charged only 36%. That's quite disappointing considering the flash charge with a 55 watt support for this phone. That's a kind of little bit kind of drawback, I would say, definitely, friends. And let's see what will happen with the results. So whether this can charge in 19 minutes 50%, I'm not sure at this point. So this is a problem with the IQ of device. Same thing I did face in the IQ7 as well, where the phone took for me to charge 40 minutes and 35 minutes initially, but the company did claim that it can charge in 30 minutes. But later on with the resetting the options, it did happen. But let's see what will happen with this phone, whether it can charge 50% in 19 minutes or not. Let's see. That is what I'm trying to see right now. So right now, as you can see, friends, we are getting close to exactly 19 minutes. So let's see whether this IQ Z3 can actually charge 50% in the 19 minutes or not. So that is a really, I want to just check whether it's possible or not. Let's see. And how much more time it actually requires to fully charge, I'm not sure. So why they are keeping this kind of flash charge with a 55 watt fast charging, but still maintaining really a long time to get charged. So let's see the battery percentage. Right now it's kind of close to 43% only, friends, for the 19 minutes. That's really less. So at least the Realme X1 Max did a pretty good job in terms of charging the phone faster, even though it has got really less fast charging. But let's see, let me try to write down the readings. So in this fast charging test, I do feel not that impressive in terms of the IQ Z3 model. Let me try to check the temperatures, how much the phone can be having. So right now it's of 36 degrees and 35.6. As you can see, 35.8 is the highest recorded, and the back side is of 36 degrees. As you can see, friends, 36.4. So I can see that 36 degrees as a maximum as the temperature when I checked. So let me try to write down the readings for the 36. Oh, sorry friends, I need to check for the 20 minutes. I forgot totally. So let's check for the 20 minutes. So this for the 19 minutes of time. Let me try to write down the 19 minutes of time to be clear. I'll try to write down the battery percent, how much it is for 20 minutes. For 20 minutes it reached to 46%, as you can clearly see, friends. For 20 minutes I'm trying to use the flash charge only, as you can clearly see the symbol as well, flash charge, but still it's not charging faster. 46% I'm trying to write down for 20 minutes. You can clearly see the difference, friends. So again, I'll be back after 30 minutes. So let's see in the 30 minutes how much the phone can actually get charged. As you can see, friends, right now we are getting close to exactly 30 minutes. So let's see how much the battery percentage will be reaching in 30 minutes of charging. 67% in 30 minutes of charging. That's too much, friends. So 67% for 30 minutes, as you can see, 67% only. Let's see how much the battery percentage also the phone got reached. That is another thing. Let's check. 36 degrees right now. As you can see, 36 degrees, but not much. Only 36. And the back side 37. Somewhere it did reach 37 as well. So overall, I think the average is of 36 degrees only during this time of testing. So let me try to write down the readings of the temperature as well. So 36 degrees. So I'm not sure why it's taking too much of time. So maybe the companies, they did decide to make this kind of slow charging, and by increasing the battery lifespan, I think so. That is what the reason maybe. So but for 55 watt supported phone, it's really ridiculous, friends, in terms of charging speed. It's not good. Some people, they don't like this kind of slow charge. Some people, they want the fast charging. So let's see how much more time the full charge will actually take in this phone. I think it might take close to 45 minutes. So there's no point in giving the 55 watts. At least they should have gone with the saying 30 watts and giving the same amount of time. That should be kind of equal, I'm not sure. So I'll try to do this kind of testing multiple times as charging tests. So day 1, day 2 and day 5 as well. I'll try to keep you posted what is going on with the charging speed. So initially I did feel slow charging issues in the IQ7 as well, similarly. So I'll try to find out what is happening, and again I'll be back with those kind of videos. So stay tuned for those videos, friends, definitely. Again, I'll be back once the battery gets close to 99%. As you can see, friends, after 40 minutes of continuously charging, the battery increased only 86% after 40 minutes. As you can see, friends, only 86%. So let's see, I think this phone might take close to 1 hour, I think so. So let's see what will happen, fingers crossed. So let's see, friends, I'm totally disappointed in terms of the charging speed. I was happy with the performance and the temperatures, no issues, but let's see what will be the charging overall, how much time it actually takes to fully charge. As you can see, friends, right now we did get 50 minutes of time, and let's see how much the phone got charged to 98%, friends. So it's really disappointing. So 50 minutes and 98%, still the phone did not get charged to 100% as well. I'm not sure how much more time the IQ or Z3 gonna take to complete charge this battery. I can expect if the phone has got maybe 5000 mAh of battery, I can totally understand, but this kind of capacity, but why it's taking a lot of time, I'm not sure. So even the Realme X1 Max, which has got really good fast charging, I think it's charging within 50 minutes in this Realme X1 Max. but I'm not sure why it's taking too much of time in this iQOO Z3 device. So let's see how much more time the final 2% will take. My guess would be maybe 54 minutes or 55 minutes, definitely, because last 2% always takes a lot of time in the iQOO's device, and not only in the iQOO, maybe in other smartphones as well. As you can see, friends, right now it's kind of close to 53 minutes, and finally it charged to 100% exactly. As you can see, friends, 53 minutes it took complete phone to get charged, and the final temperatures are around, let me try to show you, 34 degrees. It's not high, as you can see, friends, 35 degrees on the back side, 35 degrees completely. So it took about 53 minutes to complete charge the phone, and temperature is about 35, so sorry, 53 minutes, and temperature is about 35 degrees. So now let me try to quickly unplug the cable, and I'll try to start the phone. So let's see how much percentage we can expect after starting the phone, because sometimes what happens is that as soon as you restart the phone, the total percentage will immediately decrease from 100 to 97 and 98. It did happen, friends, with the other smartphones. So that is what I'm trying to say. So that is the reason I'm trying to show you exactly after switching on how much the charging percentage you can actually see on the top. So let's see. As you can see, friends, 100% you did see in this iQOO Z3 device. As you can see, friends, so this is how much time the complete phone took to charge from 0 to 100% in the switch off mode. I cannot imagine if the phone is in the switch on mode, maybe this can take close to 55 minutes as well. So but stay tuned, friends, for more interesting updates, and thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to follow the playlist. The playlist will give you the complete idea about this phone, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.